All right, so I got a little USB hub thing here. Fidioto is the brand. Small USB hub, silvery. So, reason I got this is on my laptop, the one USB port went bad, and so I only have one USB-A port in there. A couple times teaching classes and things like that, and need to have other devices plugged in, pointer, receiver, and other sort of stuff. So plug that in USB 3. It has, yeah, this one is USB 3. Sorry, the glare, you really can't see it, but I can read it. That's USB 3, and then the others are USB 2.0 ports. But so that's fine. But there are just times I need a mouse and a pointer and sometimes document camera, something like that on the laptop. And so the one port just doesn't cut it for that. So grab this. So let me throw it in the laptop and make sure it works. It's certainly small. So 1, 2, 3, a little over 3.5 inches, 3 5/8 or so. And the main body here is just a little over 3/4 of an inch wide there. And then obviously you got the on there, so it's not going to stick out all that much off the machine, a little over 3/4 of an inch, so less than an inch off. So now about 3/8 of an inch thick. So pretty small. Um, Aluminum wrapper kind of thing here feels sturdy enough to be carried around in my wheeling backpack to and from classes and things. So I think that'll work as long as it works, obviously. So let me try that out and add a photo of it in use and hope that will help you out. Take care. Have a good day.